Now, New Hampshire is classified as a tax deed state, but they're a little bit different than other states because they're going to sell through the cities and municipalities and the townships. So unlike most tax sales, you're going to be looking at a county level. Here, there's every single city is going to have their own tax sale essentially. So after 2 years of being delinquent, then the city tax collector will go ahead and initiate the foreclosure process. Now, they have to advertise this at least 25 days before the auction. So usually at about a month before the auction, that's when you're going to start seeing the tax sale list come up.
Yeah, the sales themselves are sold by oral bid. Now, is this an online auction we're going to be looking at tonight?
No, in fact, most of New Hampshire's are all on-site auctions. I can only find a couple examples of online auctions, so most of this is going to be held right there in the city town hall.
You know, but what that means though, for anybody that's listening, is there are places around the country that still hold live auctions. And the advantage of living in those areas is that, you know, you can kind of be there to participate in sales, and you're only, you know, the only competition are the people around you and the amount of money that comes in that room that day. And so there can be wonderful opportunities there to get properties at very good prices. You know, if you happen to live in that area, it's an advantage you should take advantage of, or at least something that you should consider. So other than that though, they use premium bidding, you know, just like most other states where, you know, you're bidding the property up, high bidder wins. You know, some of them do have over-the-counter deeds. You know, so they have other, I believe there are some auction sites here, some on-site auctions, some other auctions that they'll do, but we're going to go and check a look at some of these properties here that sold, actually remarkable properties. I was looking at these earlier, Steve was showing me, and I was kind of blown away by just how good the deals are in a place like New Hampshire, which I hadn't really thought about.
Yeah. Yeah, in fact, you know, one thing to talk about as well is that some of the New Hampshire sales will allow you to do sealed bids. So there can still be opportunity for out-of-state investors to invest if that particular city is doing some type of sealed bid. So that's something to kind of keep in mind as well. Now,